Good afternoon, everyone. It is 10:17 p.m. on January 22nd, 2023. What you're looking at is just a 5-minute chart of pretty much all of last week's RTH sessions and a bit of the week before. So what we had were two high closes in a row. I was calling for distribution occurring at these highs, and they moved back to monthly VWAP at 3930-ish, which is what we got. Sellers were unable to crack the 3900s, and instead we squeezed our way up back towards last week's POC. So not this past week, but the week before that's point of control. The first standard deviation of monthly VWAP, and kind of in general above this 2022 pocket 68 half, the December half back, all this sort of stuff. We're back in a more bullish area. So what am I looking at for tomorrow? Well, in general, I'm looking at us bouncing between this zone down here and about this zone up here. What I want to see is I want to be long at 96 half for a move into 4013. That's if I happen to get a retracement entry onto 96 on the way to 13, I'll be long. Now, if we do get selling after tagging 13, I do not want to be long at 96. I think there is a likelihood that we clean out 96 and come back down and fill in some single prints that we had late in the day. You can see some running down to 73. Actually, all of these are single prints. Going down to about, looks like we filled those over here, but going down about 54. So single prints are just a way of measuring if the market is getting a little bit overbought is not a great term, and these single prints do not necessarily need to fill either, but it is they tend to fill. There's a high probability that they do fill, and so I'd want to be short on my way to that. So I'll be looking to be short at 18.75. I am aware that the volume here was built at the 23s. However, 18's have been a nice level. 17 in general has been a great level. So I want to be short around here. I do know that the weekly pocket is coming in at 13. But again, I'll just stick with the level that's been great. If it works, that's great. If not, we all have losers. So I'll be short at 18s. I do want to be short above, and for all these levels up above, I'll be waiting for a point of control shift in the zone before hitting it short. Just the thought being that I'm not sure exactly where this market is going to stop tomorrow if we do break that high from last week. But I have trouble being long biased at these prices, and instead I'll be looking for mean reversion until I have some more evidence from price to look for higher prices. But so I will be looking for shorts after a POC shift if we do trade in the 40s or higher. But yes, looking to short 18s, looking to be long at 96 before tag of 13. If we do come below afterwards, I will be looking to be short at 96, short at 68, looking for us to clean up down to that 54 area. Again, short at 43, so we will be getting inside of settlement highs, and then looking for us to trade 18, where I will be long. I think there are some trapped shorts around there. We came, I think, 200 contracts short from making 18, 39.18 the weekly point of control, so there is quite a bit of volume that's been done there. I do want to be long at 39.18. Does this 3900 area hold for a full session? Yeah, not sure, but I will try and be bid there for the first time. Down below, I will be looking for shorts into that 38.30 area. I doubt we trade that tomorrow, so largely thinking the day is going to trade sort of within this kind of range. So that is short 88s, long 18, short 43s, short 68s, long and short at 96s, short 18s, and short 42s and higher if need be after a point of control shift. That's all I have for you guys for tomorrow. I think I might end up monkeying with the levels or zones just a tiny bit based on what I see overnight. We'll see what happens. We've got about, what would that be? About 12 hours until the open, 11 hours. So we'll see what that gives if we have any more additional information coming into the open. Hope that helps, and yeah, changes to Twitter pre-market per usual. Trade safe.